Cool.
Hello, what up? This is Calvin from Yard. Today we are in the Ellington area and then going to do the whole full backyard. We're going to do the interlocks and refreshing the deck. So the deck will be like demolishing out all the decking surface. It is because when the previous owners, when they're doing the deck, they didn't put anything underneath the deck. If you put like the landscape cloth and then the gravel underneath it, that'll be avoiding the weed coming up from bottom of the deck. Right now, we are going to take out the deck board and then we're laying back the cloth and then putting back the gravel at the bottom so we can cover it up in the new deck. Other than that, we're going to use Interlock natural stone and also using Passard retaining wall systems to make it flower backs at the back. Let's see how it turns out later.
3 days later.
Evan, do you like this backyard?
Yeah.
Would you come play more? We'll spend more time in here, eh? And then ask your dad to buy you more toys, okay? All right, so in here we just did all the pavers. We're using the Interlock stones to cover the whole backyard. We ripped up the deck board surface. We put all the gravel at the bottom, so we cover all the weed growing back on. And then we put up the new deck board. So we did pretty quick. Take a look in here.